Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my own recipe of chicken Alfredo pasta. All you're going to need is 2 breasts of chicken. So what I did here is cut up small cubes of chicken, about a quarter chopped onion. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, some provolone cheese, olive oil, and you don't have to always use olive oil. You could always use butter or just regular vegetable oil. And we're gonna need pasta and heavy whipping cream. So the first thing you're gonna do is put your heat on medium-high heat. Next, go ahead and put in your olive oil in there. That should be enough. Give it a little bit of a few seconds just to heat up, and once that's done, you're gonna add your onion. So as you can see, we have our onions sauteed. It's been 10 minutes. You wanna go ahead and add your chicken in there. The next thing you're gonna do is add the garlic powder, paprika, the black pepper, salt, and that's it. So for now, this is what it looks like. So now that we've let the water boil a little, we're gonna go ahead and add our pasta in there. I like to add a little bit of salt in there. It looks like the chicken is done cooking. The next thing you want to add is the heavy whipped cream. Okay, so it has been about 3 minutes since we've left the chicken cooking with the heavy whipping cream. The next, or the last step you're going to do is take the provolone cheese. It's always best to use fresh provolone cheese, but for now I'm just going to use what I have in the fridge. I chop it up into small pieces because it usually takes a while for it to melt. What I usually do is, sometimes, not always, is add a little bit of dry Parmesan cheese in there. We are pretty much done in here. All you have to do is drain out your pasta, bring it back to the stove, and dump it in there.
We're just gonna dump it off, dump it off. Dump it off.